Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install OpenCode AI in Linux. Very simple. Let's just go for the terminal at first, and here we have to run a command, and that is npm. But before that we have to actually say here sudo, okay, sudo npm space I space -g space OpenCode AI at latest. So this is our command, and we have to actually paste it here. But before that, here you can see npm we have, right? So we are going to install OpenCode AI through a package installer npm. For this we need to have Node.js in our PC. So if you want to install Node.js, you have to actually go to the browser and then go to the Node.js official site. You can say Node.js, you can type it here and then go for the download the Node.js version, and then download this .xy, okay? Or maybe you can actually say here, you can copy this and then open terminal, then paste in the terminal, and then you can paste in the terminal, then this line, then you can actually get here Node.js version, okay? I already installed it, so I don't have to actually do this. Now you have to actually hit enter, then it will start installing. Now we have to just give the password. Here you can see npm command not found. So if I say here npm -v, you can see I got here npm version. So I don't know why it's saying like this. I will say here, let's say npm I space -g space OpenCode AI at latest, and here you can see this time it will work. So the problem was with sudo, okay? So I remove sudo and I write the command here npm I -g OpenCode AI at latest. Make sure you have give here space. So let me tell you once again, and that is npm space I space -g space OpenCode AI at latest. Then you will get OpenCode AI CLI, okay, CLI latest version. Alright, here you can see we have finally successfully installed it. You can see. Now if I say here OpenCode version, then I will get OpenCode version. Now let's say I want to open OpenCode here, so I'll say OpenCode and I'll hit enter, then OpenCode will be open here. You can see. If I maximize it, now you can see. So we have installed it globally. Now we can actually access OpenCode from anywhere in our PC, and we can create project. Okay? So I hope you understand. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.